Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faisi. Today in this video I am going to talk about nature of CX bond. So this is very informative video. Just look at this molecule. If you add hydrogen, then alkyl halides. So this carbon and this X, we called it halogens. So this carbon has positive charge, we call this partial positive charge, and this halogen partial negative charge. We all know that carbon and halogen bonds are polar in nature. Why it is polar in nature? Due to difference in electronegativity. Fluorine, bromine, iodine has higher electron negativity than carbon. So carbon partially loses their electrons, and halogen partially gain. So if you look at this data, carbon fluorine bond and carbon chlorine bond, carbon bromine bond and carbon iodine bond. So there is a difference in the length because there is change from fluorine to iodine. So change of the size, this is larger size and a smaller size. Now method of preparations. You can prepare the alkyl halide from alcohol. You see ROH, HX. So this OH and this hydrogen will give H2O and RX will form alkyl halide. Same way formation of RBr, same way formation of RX, in presence of PCl5 formation of PCl3, HCl, as well as RCl and ROH in the presence of red phosphorus give RX, and ROH in the presence of thionyl chloride give RCl, sulfur dioxide of course because sulfur is there, and hydrochloric acid. Another method of preparations from hydrocarbons. You see this is hydrocarbons, very simple compound, we call it normal butane. React with halogen in the presence of light, it gives this type of products. Now by electrophilic substitutions, if you have the toluene, it react with halogens in the presence of dark iron. You see the substitution occurs at different positions, orthohalotoluene and parahalotoluene. Sandmeyer's reactions. This Sandmeyer reactions is very important. In first step, formation of benzene diazonium halides. So look at this. This is aniline. It undergoes sodium nitrite plus HX at 273 to 278 Kelvin. It gives benzene diazonium halide. This portion is benzene, this is diazonium, and this is halide. So after benzene diazonium chloride, it reacts with cuprous halide and forming aryl halides. In the same way, formation of hydrobenzene. Now from alkene, this is alkene, you have the ClHBrHi there is a breaking bond of this bond and making single bond. So H and H. So there is some Markovnikov's rule also. You see, this is unsymmetrical alkene. It reacts by give minor and major products. Addition of halogens, you see, which dibromide formations in the presence of tetrachloride. The starting material is alkene and plus molecular bromine. Halogen exchange reactions. You see, Rx which is exchanged by another halogens and forming alkene. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.